Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how to put this all together now. I've purposely left out the DC jack and these 3.5 millimeter jacks because it just makes it easier to get everything in there. Get the wires in there without those things in the way. So the idea is you want the wires to be as short as you can get them, but not so short that it becomes really difficult. So I'm sort of looking at this, and it looks like I got some extra length on my horizontal and vertical sync wires. I'm gonna just trim some of that off. You know, maybe about that much. Yeah, that should give me plenty of room. Get these out of here. I'm gonna strip some of the insulation off. This isn't crucial. Again, looks like what, 8 millimeters I got. Okay, twist the strands. Stranded wire tends to be a little nicer for something like this because it's going to have some strain on it while I'm putting it all together, and it won't break. And if I was using solid core wire, it might break. Alright, so I'm going to get both of these in. The horizontal is on the left and the vertical is on the right, so you know they're just lined up as is. I'm going to plug these wires into the holes. Cool. And then on the underside, I'm sort of bending them over with my finger, and then I'm going to solder them.